They say I'm a rebel, but I am an explorer. In search of myself, I found my diverse Pakistan. I always wanted to learn more, know more, because I was always told that I don't know much.
He always wanted to change, and during his childhood even, he was sort of ambitious about buying a mountain and living on it. Wherever he has gone, he has created friends, and especially in the north area, the connections have been very strong.
When the corporate happened to me, I was given an option to travel a lot. I traveled around 100,000 kilometers a year for good 10 years. And from all the terrains, from the highest meadows to the deepest oceans, to the rocky mountains, to the alpine trees. And it was not just a glam drive around. It was pretty tough. Starting from, say, 2006 onwards, I have, 10 terabytes of Pakistan with me. And then the whole country was my home. I could sleep wherever. I could eat with anybody. I could, have fun with whomever I am with. And it was just all love around. They gave me all the power to go meet my people, but that certain power is not helping my people. I was into people's heads, and in the end, we just wanted profits out of them. And when I told my wife, she was part of the corporate as well, she left it, I left it. I made an agency trying to keep a normal life, but even that we couldn't do. And one fine day I came to her and I told her that I'm not happy with this. And she said, go ahead, whatever makes you happy. And then I went to my father, and then he asked me, what's your path? And I told him, I want to go up the mountains and make a house. So he agreed to it. She agreed to it. And what I am doing today, it could have never been possible without them.
Yeah!
My traveling, my photography, my brand management and my brand activation experience. So all clubbing together, it narrowed down on glamping. Glamorous camping basically is a bridge between nature and people who can't rough out. All the terrains of Pakistan which are unique in the world, I wanted to highlight them and give access for all the segments of the society to those locations. 3 years back, when we started this initiative, we were the first ones to talk about it and do something.
The feedback that we have had about our glamp in Deosai was international.
I camp about 60 nights a year. This was better than all 60 nights together.
Yay, I love glamping. It's so much fun, so beautiful. The best night of my life.
The unique thing about Katwana here is that this place is the second highest cold desert after Gobi Desert.
फहद कॉर्पोरेट पे काम करते थे तो वो सिर्फ अपने लिए करते थे, यहाँ पे करते हैं तो एक इलाके के लिए आके करते हैं। इसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ है फहद का यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट लाने के लिए।
डेजर्ट के ऊपर बैठ के इस तरह का जो है कैंप चलाना बहुत मुश्किल है। डेली बेसिस के ऊपर मीटिंग होती है
और यहाँ के खुसूसन यहाँ के लोगों के साथ तो इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडशिप है।
लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं जाते हैं, हमारे लड़के भी उसमें काम करते हैं उधर जाके।
It's the first glamping site in Pakistan. It's attracting a lot of attention. A couple of our friends have been here already and they've recommended it to us.
As the infrastructure roads are completed and the influx increases, this place has the potential of increasing by maybe 3, 4, 5 folds.
There is nothing certain in life, but yeah, your will is certain and the will is there. Now the sort of person I am, I think I'm not going to pull myself back from the journey I have started. Rest, I'll leave it to God.